Welcome to the final video in this series on formatting fundamentals. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to use an Excel shortcut that is incredibly helpful for when you have to correct a lot of formatting errors. Jumping in, as you can see, we have two income statements with the same categories but different data. The income statement on the left has formatting that's all over the place. I see manually entered numbers without the yellow and blue color scheme, percentages that are not formatted at all, and even different number formats in the same row of data. Basically, it's a mess. Now I could go through each cell or row fixing formatting bit by bit, but that would be pretty tedious, and frankly, you probably don't need to see me show you how to do that. Now that you've seen my video on how to identify correct formatting, fixing formatting in this way would just be about knowing what things should look like and how to change those formats. With that in mind, given that there's so much to fix here, we're instead going to do something pretty commonly used in modeling. We're going to take a section of data that is correctly formatted, and we're going to paste just the formats onto the incorrectly formatted data. Frequently in modeling, you'll have examples of correct formatting that you can use to quickly reformat data in a new file. Further, as you start to build things out in a new model, you can reuse formatting that you've already done earlier on, as long as it was correct the first time. To do what I'm talking about here, we're first going to highlight all of the cells in the correctly formatted income statement. Once we do this, we're going to hit Control-C to copy everything that we've highlighted. Control-C is a shortcut that I believe every operating system has, but if it doesn't, just look up how to copy data in Excel for your specific OS. Now that I've copied the area I want the formatting from, I'm going to highlight the cells that I want fixed. Once this is done, I'm going to go to the drop-down menu under the Paste section in the Home ribbon. The Paste icon is a clipboard. Once I click the drop-down, I will then select the option Paste Special. Selecting this will open a menu where I'll see a bunch of different elements that I can paste from what I had originally copied. For this specific task, I'm going to select Paste Formats. Once I do, I hit Enter, and I see that all of my formatting has been changed to match the area I copied from, while still keeping the values and formulas that were in there originally. One note here. Because I had the exact same layout in both sections, I could just copy and paste formatting for everything at once. If I had instead a slightly different layout, say maybe there were extra lines or some things weren't manually entered that were in my source data, I would still copy formatting, but I would do it in pieces versus all at once so that I didn't accidentally copy formatting over incorrectly. With this, we've completed this video as well as this series on formatting. As a reminder, this playlist is the pre-course work that the students taking my live class do, and I've just decided to make it readily available so everyone can benefit from it. For those who are taking my live class, they're also going to receive instruction on returns, cap tables, the income statement, the statement of cash flows, and waterfalls, all in the context of venture capital specifically. If you're interested to learn more about that class, my pre-recorded courses, private coaching, or any of my other speaking engagements, I encourage you to go to my website, which I've linked in the description of this video.